Effective stress management techniques. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how you manage it can make all the difference in your well-being. In this article, we'll explore effective stress management techniques and provide actionable steps to help you reduce stress and enhance your quality of life. Actionable steps. Identify stressors. Start by identifying the sources of stress in your life. Is it work-related, personal, or a combination of both? Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm your mind. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is a powerful stress reliever. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep. Create a bedtime routine that promotes restful sleep. Manage time wisely. Use time management techniques to prioritize tasks and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Connect with others. Share your feelings with trusted friends or family members. Social support can provide comfort during stressful times. Set boundaries. Learn to say no when necessary. Setting boundaries can help prevent overcommitment and excessive stress. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques such as mindfulness meditation can help you stay grounded in the present moment and reduce anxiety. Engage in hobbies. Pursue hobbies and activities you enjoy. Doing things you love can be a great way to relieve stress. Seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming and persistent, consider seeking the guidance of a therapist or counselor.